Hello everyone, and this is Muhammad Mahmoud. I'm going to show you how to use the XAUMO strategy, how to set up your trading view with the indicator XAUMO MegaBar indicator and XAUMOvision, as well how to set up your Fibonacci. This is free, this is education, this is not financial advice. We are not asking you to pay anything. This is part of the Trade for Gaza initiative. That's a peaceful initiative that to trade how to teach people how to trade uh, the breakout and support the trade for Gaza. Every like, every subscription, every like you will do, I'm donating 25 piasters from my own wealth to Gaza. I'm looking for a 1 million like. That will be a quarter million of an Egyptian pound, which is almost 5,000 US dollars. Okay, so let's rock and roll and see how to set it. Okay, first, this is your if you are on Mac PC, you're just gonna go hit here on the indicators. Okay, you're gonna put XAUMO, yes, XAUMOvision first. Here's XAUMOvision by Ishimoku on the Nile, and the second one will be XAUMO MegaBar indicator, which is XAUMO MegaBar detector, which is by Ishimoku on the Nile. You're gonna click on it. Let's put this up here. We have only those two. So what you will do here on the XAUMOvision, you will set it up. You need to click on the style. You just keep traffic signal light, total spillover. Let's put the traffic signal light here to yellow. So it will be green. Let's make the setup 2, 2, 2, and 2 so you can see it. And let's make it here and here. Let's make it we don't want the spillover. We want the XAUMO bias line. We'll make it red and 5 here and here. Let's do it like that. And here's it. And I'm gonna save as default. Okay, and the XAUMO MegaBar, you double click on it, you make sure that is set on reset settings. So here we go, guys. And let's go set up our Fibonacci levels. You go here, click on Fibonacci. The level are set. I just want you to check them. Here's the low. Since this is a mega bull, we start from the low to the high of the bar. Okay, here you go. Here's here's the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci here is, you see, negative 33, 0, 13, 80, 38, 50, 61, 88, 100, 113, 125, 138, and so on. You will have these levels here. You can take it, you can do a screenshot of it, and you can keep those levels for you. And let's check how we can make a trade. This is a trade. This is at the end of the day. We'll do several ones. This is a trade, a typical trade that happened at the end of the day. We had a mega bull yesterday, so lock it. You lock those levels. First, your entry is here. This is long, so we're gonna hit at 50, at 61 or 50 or 88.6, and the first target will be, here you go. That's here. So to make it bigger so you can check it. And this is your profit. Your first profit level is 100 or 125. And your stop loss is 100, is zero. But if you are stubborn and you say, no, I'm marrying my position, I cannot get divorced from it, I'm just going to make money out of it, you're stubborn. My friend, this is not the right place for you. But if you are, and I do not advise you to be stubborn, you have negative 33. If it blocks, if it goes below negative 33, that means you're out, you are burned, and you lose money. This is the first trade. Okay, that's the first point. You enter here. If you enter at 88.6, you make your stop loss at 13. If you enter at 100, you make your stop loss at 50. If you enter at 61 or 62, you make your stop loss at zero. Okay, and this is the trade. This is the trade for next day, for Monday. This is how the market see it. And this is the mega bar. Let's go for some other actions. Here you go. Here's, we put the Fibonacci levels from zero, from bottom to up to top. This is a bear. Ah, shucks. This is a bear. So I should watch. This is a red sign. Okay, so stop, bottom. Oh, see, yes, this is wrong. no, okay, remove, and let's do the Fibonacci, top, bottom, okay. Here you go. Here's another live example. You didn't lose in the trade. You check it here, okay. Here's top, bottom, okay. What did I say to you? Here's your trade. You never lose with MegaBar. Okay, here you go. This is what south. Let's go. This is the first trade. I will enter here at 50 since it's tracing. Okay, here you go. It's 150. I'm just gonna set you the first level is 125. You entered here, you stop here at the zero. Did we hit the zero? Yes, below it. So you just we have till 130. If you see the 0340, let's check this bar here. This bar we went to 3401. Here's 340109. This 3409 130. Let's do it here so you can check it. Let's do no, hold on a second to make sure that we are on the right track. I'm just gonna okay, scales, stats line, logo, title, short values, short volume, last day change. Let's check this bar over here. The levels here, the high here was 34007. You check it here, you see? 34, you check it here. It's 3477. What did I say here? The stop loss is 3401. 3401.21. So you are still in a safe place. You did not, your stop loss was not hit, my friend. And then it reversed. But if it reversed, it went all the way to 170 here. It went to 138. Actually, my friend, you should not go. If you see it reversing like that, you just hit it to 125 and stop. Don't be greedy. Okay, you recovered your losses because after that, it went all the way bonanza up. Let's check it somewhere else. Here's another megabar. Here we have a megabar. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here you go. Okay, what level did I take? It went to almost 318. My friend, if you are trading, 85% of the chances that you will, the probability you will hit 125, 150. 75% you will do the 200. Less than 65% you will do above 200. This is scary. This is a trade. How many minutes you took it? 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 75 minutes, in an hour and 15 minutes, you made your target. Basically, I will get out at 200. I'm not going to stay for the rest because usually it flips. This is the rule of thumb. Let's go over here, check it here. Let's go check. Here is a MegaBar, and let's do the MegaBar. We trade MegaBars, Megabars. We trade on the breakout. We are breakout traders. Okay, so let's check it here. Let's do the trade. You entered here. South. Okay, you entered at 61. Okay, here's okay, let's lock it. Lock. So, and let's do this here. Here's your 150. 125, 150. Let's do the 125. Your stop loss is here. It's at zero. How many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bars. The trade usually takes 5 bars. And you make your targets. 200, I said to you, 175. Just take it, even it hit the 200. Okay, so we are in a good place. So you're gonna ask me, what about the XAUMOvision? Let you see how is XAUMOvision here. This is the XAUMOvision. We have the traffic light, which is red, yellow, green. And then we have the bias, which is the most important thing for us, which is, here you go. Here's the bias. Where's the bias? Okay, let's, and you have the traffic light and XAUUSD, the bias. The bias now is bullish, is green. And the traffic lights say to me, wait. If the traffic light, it's the bias is from -2 to 2, this is the bias, and the traffic light. -2 is too much bearish, plus +2, it's bullish. 0 is neutral, where you have everything, it's on equilibrium. So what's the bias right now? It's neutral to bearish. This is today's bias. You can check it. We work on only on 15 minutes bars. Okay, and then here, let's check it here. Okay, here we go. Let's do it here. Okay, so let's make this look bigger. and I'm showing you quickly. Here's the bar. We had it here. Here's the XAUMOvision. We had yellow light. Stop, stop, don't go, don't go. No, it's not. We are moving up. We are moving up. How much? The bias was -1. It's moving to 0. Oh, watch out. The market. We might have a change of. Uh, uh, uh. It's like you getting nervous. What shall I do? And then suddenly it went up. So you have to wait. Okay, this is like, I'm not gonna go into details, but just how to use it. Okay, it went up and then it reversed down. So I have here the bias is bearish again. He was trying to pull up to go bullish. He didn't. And then suddenly I have the mega bear. So just what I did, I wait for the signal. Okay, okay, here you go. Okay, here you have it. Where did I go to? 250. How many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bars. So 8 bars, that's like how many? That's like in 2 hours. I made 250% of the trade. So that's basically how we do it. So again, my friends, what's the deal here? This is, I'm showing you, this is the setup for the XAUMO strategy, GOLDontheNILE strategy. You're going to be using two indicators, MegaBar Detector indicator and XAUMOvision. You're going to find them on TradingView. You have now right the Fibonacci level. It's open, it's free. You can join me on GOLDontheNILE on Telegram. You can follow me on the subscribe on YouTube. You can follow me on TradingView. Why I'm doing this? This is free. This is part of the initiative of TradeForGaza. TradeForGaza, the people of Gaza are starving. They are not finding, they don't have food on the table. So we are trying every like. This is my personal initiative. Every like you'll do on the video and the previous video, which has the logo TradeForGaza, I'm donating I'm donating 25 piasters. I'm looking for 1 million like. The 1 million like will do quarter million Egyptian pound, which is almost 5,000 US dollar. Thank you very much. And this is Muhammad Mahmoud. Please do not forget to click on like, subscribe.